Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pakistani Girl in USA. I share tips, guides and strategies to help you grow online and build a successful digital presence. Today's topic is online growth and scaling strategies, a really important subject for anyone running a business, brand or even a side hustle in today's digital world. Now we will talk about how you can attract more customers online, increase your reach, and then scale your business in a way that is smart, sustainable, and profitable. Whether you are just starting out or already running a growing brand, these strategies will help you move to the next level without burning out or losing control. Now I will tell you about little bit detailed introduction to the topic. In today's digital world, just being online is not enough. Business, personal brand and even side hustle need the right strategies to grow and then scale successfully. Growth means reaching more people, building awareness, and increasing sales. But scaling is a step further. It's about handling that growth in a smarter and sustainable way so your business keeps running smoothly as it gets bigger. If we talk about an example, so you might grow by getting thousands of new customers, but if your system, customer service or resources can't handle them, you will quickly run into the problems. That's why scaling is just as important as growth. It ensures your operations, marketing, and technology are strong enough to manage expansion without losing quality or increasing costs too much. Online growth strategies usually focus on things like digital marketing, social media engagement, SEO, email campaigns, and paid ads to bring in more customers. Scaling strategies, on the other hand, involve customers, outsourcing, building an efficient system, and using the right tools so you can handle more customers and more sales without doubling your workload. In simple words, growth helps you get bigger, scaling helps you get better. While you get bigger, and in today's competitive digital world, you need both to succeed. Now, I will guide you step by step how to online growth and scaling strategies. First step is building a strong online foundation. Create a professional website or e-commerce store that is mobile friendly, fast and easy to navigate. Optimize your branding, logo, color theme or message or customers can trust and recognize you. Set up essential tools like Google Analytics or Meta Pixel or back performance from day one. Now it's a time of step number 2. Understand your target audience, define your ideal customers, age, location, interest needs. Use tools like Google Trends, surveys, or social media polls to study their pain point. Create customer person as to your marketing speaks directly to the right people. Step number 3, that is drive traffic with growth strategy, SEO, search engine optimization. Rank higher on Google with keywords, blogs and backlinks. Social media marketing. Consistently post valuable content on the platforms where your audience spend time, that is TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. Paid advertising. Run targeted ads on Google, Facebook, or TikTok for faster growth. Content marketing. Start a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel to build authority. Email marketing. Capture email and send newsletters, discounts, or updates. Step number 4, convert visitor into the customers. Build clear sales awareness, then interest, then decision, and then purchase. Use landing pages with strong calls to the action. Offer value through free trial, ebooks, or webinars to collect lead. Simplify checkout with multiple payment options and trust bases. Step number 5, personalized communication. Use tools like Klaviyo, MailChimp, or HubSpot collect customers' feedback, and improve based on reviews. Now it's a time of step number 6, that is automate and systemize process. Scaling phase. Use automation tools for emails, ads, and social media scheduling. Outsource tasks like design, customer service, or content creation in freelancing or agencies. Step number 7, expand to new markets and channels. Scale internationally by offering worldwide shipping or digital product. Add new revenue streams like online courses, affiliate marketing, or collaboration. Test new ad platforms or marketplace like Amazon, Etsy, TikTok, or Shop. Explore partnerships and influencers marketing for wider reach. Step number 8, track, analyze, and improve. Regularly check KPIs, traffic conversion rate, customer lifetime value, return on ad spend. Use A/B testing to refine ads, landing pages, and emails. Stay updated with trends like AI tools, voice search, and Web3 opportunities. Reinvest profit smartly into what's working best. Now I will tell you about the importance of it, why it is important in 2025. Year 2025 is a turning point for online business. The digital world is evolving faster than ever and the competition is at its peak. Every brand from small startup to global companies is fighting for customer attention. That is why growth and scaling strategies are not just good to have, they are absolutely necessary. Here is why overcrowded online marketplace platforms like Shopify, Amazon, TikTok Shop, or Etsy are flooded with sellers. Without smart growth strategies, it is so easy to get lost in the crowd. Only businesses that use effective digital marketing and branding can stand out. Artificial intelligence and automation revolution. AI tools everywhere now, from content creations to customer service. Business that adopt AI driven scaling strategies will save time, reduce cost, and grow much faster than those sticking to old methods. Global reach is easier but more competitive. Technology allows you to sell worldwide, but it also means you are competing globally. Growth strategies helps you reach new market while scaling ensures you can handle international demand. Here is a concise summary. In 2025, online growth strategies helps you get seen and attract customer, while scaling strategies help you handle demand, keep cost low, and maintain quality. Together, they are the key to surviving and thriving in this highly competitive digital age. Now it's a time of close the topic, so final thoughts are here. As we have seen throughout this video, online growth and scaling strategies go hand in hand. Growth is about visibility, reaching more people, building awareness, and generating sales. But scaling is about sustainability, making sure your system, process, and tools are strong enough to handle that growth without overwhelming you or draining your resources. Always remember, growth gets you noticed, but scaling ensures you can keep delivering value as your business expands. Business that master both will not only survive but also thrive in 2025. So, whether you are just starting out or already running a established business, focus on building a countdown where growth and scaling work together. That's how you create a brand that lasts, stay profitable, and keep evolving with the digital world. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Pakistani Girl in USA for more detailed guides and strategies. Allah Hafiz.